Okay, so we're connecting up the Digga Ram Drill. First things first, we've got it in the storage position. Okay, we've disconnected our stabiliser bars. Okay, we're going to start with left-hand side like you do on all 3-point linkages. Start with the left with the least amount of adjustment, then the right, and then the top link. So I'll just put the left-hand side one on. Put the linchpin in, and then we'll move across to the other side and whack that side in as well. So around to the right-hand side, looking forward. Okay, linchpin in. Now, our bottom links on our 3-point linkage are connected. Okay, so the next step, once you've got your bottom links connected, is to connect your hydraulic hoses. Like any tractor, just push them straight into the rear remotes, like so. We now have adjustment on our top ramp, which will help us connect the fixed bar on the 3-point linkage. So I'll go ahead, jump on the tractor, start it, and work the hydraulics just to line that hole up on the top link. We'll get that top pin in. To connect your top link, you adjust your 3-point linkage and the hydraulic ram to line up your hole. Once the hole's lined up, push the pin through and lock it in with a linch pin. So by this point, you should have your bottom links on, your hydraulic ram connected, and your top link connected. It's now time to raise your transport legs. To do that, pull the pin, lift it to the highest position, and drop your linch pin in, and repeat on the other side. So we're connecting on our PDO shaft. We've slid the cover back so we can access the universal joint. We twist this until it lines up. Push the locking pin in, slide it all the way on, lock it in. Once we've got the shaft on, slide your safety cover back up, put the safety cover locks in, and we're ready to go drilling holes.